Welcome students. In this session we are going to discuss about network security. A symmetric key algorithm. It is the algorithm for cryptography that use same cryptographic keys for both the encryption of plain text and the decryption of the ciphertext. These keys may be identical. For example, Caesar cipher, Flavor cipher are best examples for symmetric key algorithm. The next topic is the data encryption standard, also known as DES. It is a symmetric key block cipher published by National Institute of Standards and Technology. It uses 64-bit key length. It is based on two types, substitution and transposition techniques. The next one is public key cryptography. The different keys are used for encryption and decryption is known as a public key cryptography. Each receiver possesses a unique decryption key, generally referred as a private key. The private key is kept secret. The private key is used for decrypt the given data. The receiver needs to publish an encryption key referred as a public key. The public key is shared over network. Public key used to encrypt the data. Though the private and public keys are related mathematically, it does not be feasible to calculate the private key from the public key. Next one is authentication. It is a process of verifying the identity of a user when that user logs into a computer system. The best examples are password, biometrics, etc. Web security refers to the protective measure and protocols that organization adopt to protect the organization from cyber criminals, threats that use the web channel. Web security is critical to business continuity and to protecting data, users, and companies from risk. The next topic is intruders. The intruders are the attackers who attempt to breach the security of a network. They attack the network in order to get unauthorized access. Next one is malware. It is a short form for malicious software. It is a file or code typically delivered over a network that infect, exploit, steal or conduct user data. Some examples are spyware, adware, Trojan horses, etc. Let us see some example. Spyware. It is a software with malicious behavior that aims to gather information about a person or a organization and send it to another entity in a way that harms the user. For example, by violating their privacy or affecting their device security. The next one is Trojan horse, also known as Trojan. It is a type of malware that disguises itself as a legitimate code or software. Once inside the network, the attackers are able to carry out any action that user could perform, such as exporting files, modifying data, deleting files, or otherwise altering the content of the device. The next one is worm. A computer worm is a standalone computer program that replicates itself in order to spread other computers. It often uses a computer network to spread itself, relying on security failures on the target computer to access it. It will use the machines as a host to scan and infect other computers. The next one is firewall. And firewall is a network security device that monitor and filter incoming and outgoing network traffic based on a organization previously established security policies. At its most basic, a firewall is essentially the barrier to the network security. Thank you.